But for right now, we're still dealing with that rain. We had a band of rain come in, but it's pushed north a bit. Now the concern is around West Palm Beach. East to southeast wind gusts. They're gusting over 25 miles an hour. There are more showers expected here this weekend. But again, Monday night, Tuesday, Wednesday for the new year is when we'll start to see things change a bit. We'll get rid of all these clouds. We'll bring in some drier air and temperatures will be a little cooler. All right, now they're into the 70s this morning. 80 right now, 81 degrees in Miami. So warm day today. But things are fairly clear here on real-time Doppler. We continue to watch a few showers there and around the Keys, but it's just up to the north. Computer forecast has this band of very heavy rain that is going over the same area. So there is a flooding concern there around West Palm Beach. We do see a few more of these bands of showers setting up overnight tonight and early tomorrow. So we're in more of a tip of the same pattern here where these showers develop and they move with the breeze, which will be turning a bit more to the southeast. Seeing that happen now, maybe around 15, 20 miles an hour. This is causing problems along the coast. You have that high risk of rip currents, the rough surf, and a small craft advisory, but the breeze will continue here for the next few days. 77 in Homestead, but elsewhere temperatures are at or just above 80 degrees. Here's our Keys, Cameron, Key West, sunny skies with just a few clouds, so a nice day there. That high risk of rip currents continues, a small craft advisory, and well, we're getting warm during the day, but with that breeze coming in off the ocean, we only drop into the mid to low 70s here overnight tonight. So off to a warm start to the day tomorrow there. For the rest of the weekend, we can expect more of the same. Here's that shower band that has moved to the north, but still a lot of moisture coming in. As soon as these showers are within range of the radar, they are picked up. So we're not seeing any breaks here. The moisture actually increases a bit, so this could enhance these showers, make the rain a little heavier. Saw an indication of that last night and early this morning. Here comes more rain, but there's the front, and it comes in by Monday night to early Tuesday. The showers will increase ahead of that early next week, but then by New Year's Day, we drop temperatures down into the 60s, maybe even to the 50s there by Monday morning. So it does get a little cooler, might get a little calmer as well. Rip current risk is high. The gusts over 30 miles an hour just off the coast, breezy beaches. Showers will increase with the heavier rain. This risk continues through Saturday. The small craft advisory continues as well. Winds east-southeast at 20 knots, 4 to 8 foot seas chopping the bays. Temperature about 81, maybe topping out about 82. Gusty at times with a few passing showers. 15 to 25 mile an hour wind. That continues Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We could even get a little warmer just ahead of that cold front. Not as warm Tuesday, and Happy New Year. Temperature 74 degrees with sunshine and a cooler breeze.